What a great question. How is it at the edge of the visible universe that things are traveling apart from each other at the speed of light, but out past that, they're traveling away from each other faster than the speed of light? Yes, there really is a very simple explanation. I prefer to talk about it using raisin bread. So if you have a loaf of raisin bread, all of the raisins that are in there, as that loaf of raisin bread is rising, as the yeast is creating the carbon dioxide to make it expand, every raisin is traveling away from every other raisin in all directions. So two raisins that are close to each other will travel apart at a given rate. However, if you take two raisins that are twice that distance apart, they're going to travel apart from each other twice as fast. And the further out of the raisins you go, the faster they're going to be traveling away from each other. And so if you think of the raisins as galaxies and the universe expanding as the loaf of raisin bread, with the dough just being the space, then yes, as you get further and further out, eventually those galaxies are going to be traveling away from each other at the speed of light. Now, they're not necessarily traveling at the speed of light locally. It's only relative to the expansion of the universe at that far distant location that they're traveling fast in the speed of light relative to that distant location. And so nothing really is traveling faster than the speed of light. It's only traveling faster than the speed of light relative to light due to the expansion of time and space inside of the distance between them. So I hope that answers the question. It really is just expansion. And the further out you go, the faster the expansion velocity becomes. That's where you get this Doppler redshift for things at distant galaxies. As they're traveling farther and farther away from us, we know that they're farther away, and that causes the redshift. Great question. Thanks for asking it. Have a great day.